Let's see. Oh, ew. Wow. What is it? Let's see.
It says geocache and
Geocache.
Paper. Come on, just open.
It's hard. Oh, here we go. It's almost open.
Okay, can I try then?
Okay.
Yeah, you can try.
Oh, interesting.
Please read. Congratulations, you found it. Intentionally or not. What is hidden in the container sitting here for? What the heck is this thing doing here with all these things in it?
There's nothing in it.
Okay, just give me like a thumbs up or something.
Yay.
Thanks.